How to fix hotspot not working issue on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your settings app. Here we go. Head towards the option of mobile service. Make sure you have enough data. Once you check that, open this option of mobile data options. Make sure you have toggle off for this option of low data mode. Make sure you are using the 4G or 5G. Likewise, after you check this, head back. Go to the option of personal hotspot. Make sure you have enabled for this option of allow others to join. Open the option network selection. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of automatic. After you customize all these settings, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, go back to the main page of settings. Enable airplane mode for 60 seconds and then disable it. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, you can give a fresh restart to your device. For that, scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to power off your phone. And again turn on your phone and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now the very last thing you can do is go to the main page of settings, open the option General, go to the option Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone to its latest version. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix hotspot not working issue on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.